Hello, in this video we are going to review how to order a specialty lab test. So this is the patient page, and click on the new button of the requisitions card, and this is the new requisition modal. So we're looking for a GI map from Diagnostic Solutions. The slower way to get this is to search here, Diagnostic Solutions. We can just click search. And here's the task we're looking for, GI map. A faster way would have been just to have this set up as a favorite over here, and then there'd be only one click. But for right now, just click the GI map. And now it has been added here to the requisitions card. Now, the GI map detail shows that it was created just now, and the next row, patient payment, is blank. So what this means is the next step of this process is that we're waiting for the patient now to log into the patient portal and pay for this test. Now, we do not need to email them because they've already been emailed by the system automatically. So that's all we have to do. We're now waiting for the patient to log in and pay for the test. So let's take a look at what the patient will see. So we'll log out of the doctor's portal, and now we will log into the patient portal like this, and we can go over to purchase lab tests. So here is the Diagnostic Solutions GI map test that was requested by the doctor. So the patient just clicks on there, approve, and we'll select the credit card they have on file, and they will then click the purchase button. That brings us to the purchase confirmation page, letting the patient know that payment has been received, and the lab order is being transmitted to the partner laboratory, Diagnostic Solutions. The next step is the lab kit will be mailed out from Diagnostic Solutions, and an email will be sent by the system to the patient letting them know their kit is in the mail. And that's the end of this video.